I'm Jaden Carlo Jacob Chavez, and today we're going to talk about prefixes, suffixes, and affixes. First, what are affixes? Affixes are morphemes attached to a word to form a new word. It is a linguistic process speakers use to form new, different, and meaningful words. There are different divisions of affixes, but the most commonly used are prefixes and suffixes. Now, let's talk about prefixes. Prefixes are word parts that is added to a root word to form a new meaning. It is usually added in the beginning of the word. For example, the word visible. Visible means it is clearly seen by the naked eye. But when added with the prefix in, it changes its grammatical definition. Invisible, which means it cannot be seen by the naked eye. Another thing about prefixes is that it changes the definition and the grammatical position of a word. Other examples for prefixes are the word this plus honesty equals dishonesty, the prefix mis plus guide equals misguide, and the prefix im plus perfect, which means imperfect. Now, let's talk about suffixes. What are suffixes? Suffixes are word parts added at the end of the root word. Unlike prefixes, suffixes are added at the end and not in the beginning. For example, for suffixes, it's clearly. Clear plus the suffix ly will form clearly. There are two kinds of suffixes, inflectional and derivational suffixes. What are inflectional suffixes? Inflectional suffixes changes the grammatical properties of a word. For example, the word feared. Fear plus the word ed will form feared. It inflects past tense. Other suffixes that is included in inflectional are s, ed, ing, en, s, er, and est. Now, let's talk about derivational suffixes. Derivational suffixes changes the form of the given word. For example, the word clear. When added the suffix ly, it changes its meaning and its position, so it forms clearly. Another example for derivational suffixes are it, ly, ful, and ism. That's all for today, and hope you learned new lessons for my speech. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.